Good morning, Kinder 1 children. This is Teacher Bea with Teacher Jaw.
Hi, children.
Many of you speak English in the house, so most of the words here you probably know. But there will be some words that will be new to you, so this exercise will increase your store of vocabulary words.
A, m, s, e, r.
So now let's begin our vocabulary building exercise and further review of the sounds. E, evening. Mango. A, acorn.
Eggplant. R, artichoke. Sad.
Mad. E, eat. R, armpit.
Elbow. R, arm. Robot.
A, alien. Elf. Aquarium.
R, arc. Swing. Rag.
Envelope. Rake. Anchor.
Eel. Raccoon. Armadillo.
And finally, eagle. Now let's review the sounds with Teacher Johanna again.
M, S, E, R.
That's it. If you want, you can play this video again with audio and then without audio to see if you can still remember the sounds and vocabulary words. Enjoy! Bye!